All right, guys, and coming at you again from the old Brown Bear, and we just Sam and I. Say hi, Sam.
Hello.
Just finished applying our paint to the bear itself, and pretty happy with the way that turned out. The pole was here, it was massive, and the rot area extended 12 inches over and about 13 inches up and down, and that is much better. Can hardly tell that there's a seam. Bear's looking good. Yeah, there is not really much of a visible seam. The only little area I can see is right there. And I'm very happy with the way that it turned out. We got the oak patch on there. I just wanted to give you guys an update. So the seam is still wet on this particular area that I carved, so it looks a little bit contrasty, but yeah. Overall, I really like the choice of paint. This was a suggestion by my buddy Anthony Bizzotto. It's a, it's actually apparently a stain. It's what's the word I'm looking for, Sam? Anyway, it's a stain of some kind, and it's definitely not opaque, and so it seems more like a paint. So I'm not sure what differentiates it from a stain. But, or a paint rather. Gosh, I'm gonna start this over.